Hello and welcome to Not Your Roommate's Food Safety. The Not Your Family's Workshop series is brought to you by AmeriCorps and the Cincinnati Public Allies. To learn more, visit nyfworkshops.com/about. Before we get to the ins and outs of cooking, it is important that we understand a few of the basics. Safety is the number one rule when it comes to feeding yourself and others. Since we depend on food to survive, the time we take to prepare food safely is of the utmost importance. There are 4 rules to food safety: clean, separate, cook, and chill. Clean. First, wash your hands. Be sure to wash cutting boards, dishes, utensils, and countertops with hot soapy water after preparing each item. Rinse fresh fruits and vegetables under running tap water, or scrub with a clean vegetable brush. Separate. Do not cross-contaminate. Separate raw meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs from other foods in your grocery shopping cart, grocery bags, and in your refrigerator. Make sure you have a separate cutting board for raw meat, seafood, and poultry, and one for produce. Cook. Food is safely cooked when it reaches a high enough internal temperature to kill the harmful bacteria that cause foodborne illness. Use a food thermometer to measure the internal temperature of cooked foods. Viruses are a living thing which can mutate over time, so internal cooking temperatures are updated every 5 to 10 years. Steaks should be cooked at 145 degrees, ground beef at 160 degrees, fish at 145 degrees, and leftovers 165 degrees. Chill. Refrigerate or freeze meat, poultry, eggs, and other perishables. Never let raw meats, poultry, eggs, cooked meat, or cut fresh fruits and vegetables sit at room temperature for more than 2 hours before putting them in the refrigerator or freezer. Never defrost food at room temperature. There are 3 safe ways to defrost food: in the refrigerator, in cold water, and in the microwave. Food thawed at cold water or in the microwave should be cooked immediately. Always make sure to marinate food in the refrigerator. Divide large amounts of leftovers into shallow containers for quicker cooling. Use or discard food on a regular basis. Here are some common foodborne illnesses. Most of these can be prevented by proper sanitizing and cooking food completely. If untreated, they can be fatal, but if treated, most of them will leave you sick for a few days. We hope this video was informative and helpful. Please make sure to complete an evaluation survey at nyfworkshops.com/evaluation. These evaluations will help us to determine if this video series should be continued and how we can improve the content of future workshops. Participants who complete at least 3 evaluations by May 22nd, 2020 will be entered into a raffle to win a $25 gift card. Looking to learn more life skills? Check out the rest of our videos. Please send any questions to nyfworkshops@gmail.com. Special thanks to the following organizations for providing the information and resources to make this video possible.